AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's actively reshaping how market research is done. From faster surveys to predictive modeling, AI is helping businesses understand their customers in ways that were impossible just a few years ago. The question isn't if AI will transform research, it already has. The real question is, are you ready to adapt? Market research has always had one mission: to understand people. But the tools we use are evolving fast. We have seen this shift across projects, where tasks that once took weeks now take hours. Data is cleaned automatically, open-ended responses are clustered in seconds, and predictive models give us tomorrow's answers today. The speed, scale, and depth of insights are unlike anything traditional methods could deliver. One of the most time-consuming parts of research is cleaning data. Removing duplicates, checking for outliers, fixing inconsistencies. It's tedious but essential. AI now automates this process. Systems can detect bot-like patterns, spot straight-liners, and autocorrect missing values. Instead of burning weeks on manual QC, researchers get cleaner data almost instantly. That means more energy can go into analysis and strategy instead of fixing spreadsheets. Qualitative answers are gold, but they've always been hard to scale. Traditionally, researchers read thousands of comments by hand, trying to group them into themes. With AI-powered natural language processing, this happens in minutes. NLP tools don't just scan keywords, they understand context. If customers say, "The delivery was slow" or "My package arrived late," AI links both to logistics issues. This makes it possible to tap into the richness of customer voices without drowning in the workload. Getting the right respondents used to be a mix of science and luck. But AI has made sampling smarter. Instead of pulling random lists, AI predicts which people are most likely to qualify for a study and adjusts outreach in real time. The result is better representation, faster fieldwork, and lower costs. In other words, smarter samples, sharper insights. Perhaps the most exciting development is predictive analytics. Traditional research tells us what happened yesterday. AI-driven models can tell us what's likely to happen tomorrow. For example, predictive models can analyze purchase history to flag which customers are at risk of churn, or test product features virtually to forecast which ones will succeed in market. Businesses move from reacting to anticipating, and that's a huge shift. Finally, let's talk about delivery. Research used to end with a static report. Now, AI-powered dashboards give real-time insights, highlight anomalies, and even suggest next steps. Imagine logging in and seeing not just a chart of sales trends, but also an AI note: "Sales dipped in region X last week, likely due to competitor promotions." That's not a futuristic dream, it's happening today. So here's the lesson: AI is reshaping every stage of market research. Automating data cleaning. Making open-ended feedback usable in minutes. Optimizing samples for better accuracy. Powering predictive models that look forward, not backward. Delivering insights through dynamic dashboards. But here's the caution: AI is not a replacement for researchers. It's a tool. The best results come when human judgment validates and guides what AI produces. That balance of machine speed and human insight is where the magic happens. Keep learning, keep shining, and remember, AI creates the most value when balanced with human judgment.